Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Steph, and today we are playing with the new BH Cosmetics 80s Remix Dance palette. This is the outer packaging. It is beautiful. It really gives me nightclub vibes. Beautiful. And the inside of this, look at that colour story. Absolutely amazing. I love this colour story so much. As soon as I saw this palette, I knew I had to have it. The 90s one didn't really speak to me at all, but the 80s one, wow. So if you would like to see how I created this look and hear my first impressions on this palette, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first colour I'm going to be going in with is Conga, this one here. BH's formula in these Sweet Shop palettes is just amazing, so I'm hoping that the same formula is continued on. That makes sense. This is a nice colour. So I chose the 80s palette because I was born in the 80s. I'm an 80s kid. My teens were in the 90s, but the 90s palette just didn't speak to me at all. Out of the three, this was the one that was screaming my name. Oh, this colour's lovely. So have any of you guys picked this up, or are you going to be? I think BH has really stepped up their game. This is looking good. I've been blending away, so I'm just going to pack a bit on. Oh, look at that. And then just blend at the edges. Wow. I'm liking this colour a lot. And then next I'm going in with Spin Me. Oh, this picks up a lot. So just blending this one kind of next to the pink, but also overlapping them slightly just to get them to blend. I think you could definitely pack these on a lot more than I am, but I just want to see how blendable the formula is, and also if it goes patchy, which I think is quite often difficult to see if you're packing on. Now, there's definitely something about the colours in this palette that just made me think of my younger years. Feels like a lifetime ago now though. Now we'll go back in with that pink in a bit just to intensify that a bit more. But, oh, I am not mad at this. And then for my outer V, I'm going to Straight Up. I love that these are all names of songs. Songs from my youth. Right, Straight Up. And this is going in the outer V here. Well, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is looking good. Looking real good. Just made myself think of Salt and Pepper then. Real back to the youth. Okay, and then back in with Conga. And then back in with Spin Me. And then back in with Straight Up. I cannot get over how beautiful these colours are. And And then just popping on some NYX glitter primer. Just going to kind of dab that where we want it. I'm not being too precise. And then for the outer edge of my lid, I'm going in with Sweet Dreams. So let's have a see. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, okay. Yes. BH, yes. Okay. That is beautiful. And then for the inner part of my lid, I'm going in with Kiss. Yes, this is wow. Just wow. Yeah, just tapping it over the edge of the blue shimmer there. I'm not going to be able to blend much, but just take away the completely harsh line. Wow. Yeah, I think it's safe to say these are of the same quality as the Sweet Shop palettes. And then just back in with a bit of the blue shimmer. For under the eye, I'm going to first take Straight Up. And I'm just stamping that on the outer part there. And then in with Spin Me, the purple, just to kind of blend out the blue a little bit. This is going nicely. And then in with Conga, the pink, for the inner part there. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a bit more Straight Up, just to deepen that outer edge there. I'm just stamping it in now. Oh, look at that. Alright, so I'm going to pop a bit of glitter, the NYX glitter primer, just on my inner corners there. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Virgin, this real shimmery, sparkly white. This one seems to be a bit of a flakier formula. Ooh. Oh, okay. So I'm just going to take it onto the lid ever so slightly, just to kind of blend it in with everything else. Yeah, just dragging it onto the pink on the lid there a bit. Just kind of meshing them together. This is so pretty. Ooh. And then I'm just going to try popping a bit of that up under the brow there. Ooh, okay. I'm just going to blend the top edges there, just to, so there's not a harsh line up there. look at that. Yes, that is exactly what I was looking for. So eyeshadow done, I'm going to nip off, finish my face, and then I will come back to show you the finished look. So if you would like to see that and hear my first impressions of the 80s Remix Dance Palette from BH Cosmetics, then don't go anywhere. Okay, so I'm back with the finished look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section below. I'm loving it. So before I give you my first impressions of the 80s Remix Dance Palette, I will just let you know what else I've popped on my face. So the blush is from Poutnshout. It is Pink Me Up, and it is this beautiful pink. The highlighter is the Kaleidos Space Age highlighter in Skywalker. The black liner is the Ciate Chisel eyeliner. In my waterline is the Linda Hallberg Mood Crayon in Cool Mood. The mascara is the Madaj Lash Mascara from Madaj Beauty. The lashes are from Makeup by Lisa in the style Raven. And the lipstick is the Fenty Beauty Poutsicle in Go Deep. And it is this beautiful blue. So, first impressions on the 80s Remix Dance Palette. The outer packaging, I love it. I love it. It's like a dance club. It gives me dance club vibes. I love it. So on the inside, it says girls just want to have fun, shadows. And these are the beautiful colours on the inside. Obviously, I've only used a few of them, and I would 100% say they are the same quality as the Sweet Shop palettes. So if you've tried the Sweet Shop palettes, you love the formula, I'm pretty sure you're going to love this too, provided obviously it's your colour story. For me, this is amazing. I can see so many different looks. Just looking at this, so many options in this. It's amazing. And the shimmers, this one, it's a bit more flaky than the others, but it really packs a punch. I really like that one. I think that would look really nice over a black base. I've got a few shadows that I need to do that with. But yeah, so first impressions, amazing. BH are really smashing it, really smashing it. I love this. I'm so happy I got it. So that is about it from me. If you've liked this video, please give it a like, thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you are new around here, then I hope you'll consider sticking around. I do a lot of really colourful makeup, and I'm a huge supporter of indie brands. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then please do hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having a great day, great evening, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I will see you again very soon. Goodbye.